Hi all. So I just finished a series called Arcade Vehicle System in which I have, taught how to write your own vehicle system inside the Unreal C++ part. So the vehicle is very very lightweight when we compare it to the Unreal Vehicle System. So we will learn in this course, we will learn how, like, what is the suspension, what is damper, like, and how we can write the whole equations for the forward vector and the, like all the systems which are including in the vehicle system. Next we will learn how the brake system works, how we will attach the wheels. Right now, like, they have attached afterwards, so how we can attach that wheels. We will also add the boost functionalities, and then we will add the sound. So let me let play that so you will get some idea. Whole system we will do it inside the Unreal C++ part. So that the link of the course is in the description. If you have any doubt, just let me know and I will rectify it. Thank you and have a nice day.